It's a life-saving tool you have to look up to see, a helicopter that can help track people down and save lives. And good evening, everyone. After the Air One helicopter helped find a woman in the town of Manlius last week, we are now getting on board to see all it can do.
The Onondaga County Sheriff's helicopter flying high above Onondaga County, keeping an eye out with technology crucial to keeping people safe. News Channel 9's Josh Martin takes us up in Air One.
It's one of the most important pieces of tech the county has, Air One. This chopper and its crew can do it all.
We're there to provide assistance anytime police officers are looking for a suspect. It may be a lost child. It may be a search and rescue mission. We may be assisting the fire department with Bambi bucket drops on a large outdoor fire. So it ranges from day to day.
Michael Bradley will be running all the tech on tonight's flight. He and pilot Jason Bracey gave us a chance to see Air One in action.
So this is where you guys will be.
We climbed on board.
You guys with us back there?
I can hear you. Yep.
All right.
And prepared for takeoff. Tonight we'll be testing out the same system used to find a woman from Manlius last week. She was deep in the woods, alone, and lost.
So if there's somebody missing in the wooded area, especially at night, we're going to be using our FLIR system. It's a forward-looking infrared camera. It's manufactured by Lockheed Martin. It's got great capabilities. So I'd be utilizing that.
The FLIR system is so sharp. In the winter, it can spot footprints in the snow. Tonight, a different test of its capabilities.
So any sort of heat on my screen comes up as white hot. So you can see this vehicle over here. The engine is still running, and we're producing a lot of heat. All right, so that's basically what I'm going to be using when I'm looking for suspects who may be trying to hide in the area.
Way above central New York, the FLIR can focus so finely. Look how close it gets to this house.
Having this system is really beneficial.
It's just one of the many tools this chopper has.
Having this helicopter in this county is just, it's a great asset. I mean, we have a population of over 450,000 residents. So having the ability to respond to remote areas here within the county, to all of the lakes and tributaries that we have, it's really quite priceless, the ability that this helicopter is able to provide us.
Josh Martin back on the ground with us now. Very impressive. So much to see on that helicopter, Josh.
Yeah, we really could do an entire segment of its capabilities. I mean, the FLIR system is just one aspect of what we got to see during our trip up last night. And it was just incredible to see the people working so hard and all the detail that goes into it. We're going to be getting into some of that detail later this week. We're going to be looking into more from our trip up in Air One. But to see the guys work and all the attention to detail was something really interesting.
Now, Josh, you were telling us this was your first flight aboard a helicopter. How was the actual flight?
Yeah, so I'm a little nervous. Never been up in a helicopter before, as you can probably imagine. It was such a smooth ride, and like I said, to see the attention to detail that these guys had when we went up there. I took my seatbelt off after like 90 seconds, which is okay to do. I wasn't breaking any rules. But it was just an awesome experience and a very smooth ride to see Central New York that high up.
Yeah, I've been up in Air One too. It is incredibly smooth.
Yes,
as you said. Yeah,
yes,
it's great. You don't think that.
No,
you don't
technology is simply amazing.
Oh, absolutely, and it's kind of old, to be honest. It's about 10, 15, 20 years old.
Yeah.
We look forward to your next reports, Josh.
Thanks, Ron.
Well, and to see a 3-minute web extra from Air One high above central New York, including demonstrations of some of the tools at the crew's disposal, we have that posted for you at our place on the web, localsyr.com.